In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to delete a subtask in Jira, including how to enable delete permissions if you don't see that option available. First things first, if the delete option isn't showing up for your subtasks, we'll need to adjust some settings. Let me show you how to access project settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right and selecting Projects. Now we'll open the Project Settings menu. Just click the three dots next to your project name and select Project Settings from the drop-down. In the left sidebar, you'll see the People section. Go ahead and click on that. To grant delete permissions, we need to add the right people to the project. Click the Add People button in the top right corner. Here's where you'll add yourself or anyone else who needs permission to delete subtasks. Make sure to assign them the administrator role so they have the necessary rights. Perfect! You'll see a confirmation message letting you know the new people have been added successfully. Now that the permissions are set, let's go back to your board. Find the subtask you want to remove and click the three-dot menu next to it. Great! Now you'll see the delete option is available in the menu. Click delete one more time to confirm, and your subtask will be removed. That's all there is to it. You now know how to enable delete permissions and remove subtasks from your Jira projects.